रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ही रहना चाहिए, भारत ही रहना चाहिए। वंदे मातरम।
को यहाँ उपस्थित हमारे आदरणीय निदेशक महोदय जी, समस्त शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। मैं बीआईटी जयपुर परिवार की ओर से भरत आप सभी का इस पावन प्रभात में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ।
और मैं आयुषी आप सभी का भारत के 77वें गणतंत्र दिवस के इस गौरवमयी एवं प्रेरणादायक समारोह में स्नेहिल अभिनंदन करती हूँ।
Distinguished faculty members, guests, and my dear students, good morning. It is my distinct privilege to extend a warm welcome to all in the vibrant campus of BIT Jaipur. Today, we gather to celebrate the 77th Republic Day of our great nation. January 26th is far more than a date. It is a celebration of our democratic ideals, the vision of our Constitution, and the unity that binds our diverse nation. Today, as we hoist the tricolor, we are reminded not only of the freedoms we enjoy, but also of the responsibilities that accompany them to uphold justice, equality, and liberty, and to contribute meaningfully to the progress of our republic. And social responsibility flourish. As an institute with legacy, we should provide our students with an ecosystem that nurtures creativity, critical thinking, and the courage to innovate, ensuring they are prepared to contribute to a progressive and inclusive India. Today, as I address the distinguished gathering, I am filled with pride in highlighting the extraordinary strides BIT Jaipur has made over the past year. The placement session of BIT Jaipur for 25-26 has been truly outstanding. Already 50% of our registered students have secured positions in top multinational companies. The companies such as IBM, IFB, SAP Scholar, Accenture, and Walmart visited our campus. Our placement section continues to work tirelessly to ensure that every student of the 2026 batch attains the best opportunities, reflecting the excellence emphasized on this 77th Republic Day. We are preparing a focused roadmap to contribute to Viksit Bharat 2047 through innovation. Continues to be most sought program at BIT Jaipur. The AI and EC programs are also showing strong and rising demand. To ensure students' overall well-being and personal development, BIT Jaipur introduced the Student Mentorship Program with a strong focus on mental health. Each faculty member mentors a group of students through regular interactions, offering guidance on academics, careers, and emotional well-being. This structured support system has created a safe and open environment. Cultural fest, vibrations, Independence Day celebration, Dandiya program, Basant Panchami celebration, and Republic Day. BIT Jaipur students are also creating their footprint in startups. The startups operate in the artificial intelligence industry and allied sectors. The total number of startups to date is 22. A startup, Sevihar, received incubation support from Bhamasha Techno Hub from India, Government of India. The startup focuses on a smart personal safety application for women, featuring SOS alerts, real-time image capture, geofencing of danger zones, and a local volunteer alert system. BIT Jaipur is proud of its faculty team that is constantly involved in teaching and research in new emerging areas such as AI, soft computing, intelligent control, optical communication, semiconductor devices, microelectronics, and VLSI fabrication. To further strengthen the academics and research culture at BIT Jaipur, recruitment process is started. As far as infrastructure is concerned, we have already planned for the vertical expansion of the academic building by adding one more floor and build a hostel was held in first week of November 2025 at BIT Jaipur. An AICT Atal sponsored 6-day online FDP was also organized. It witnessed an overwhelming nationwide response with 381 participants registering from across the country. Eminent experts from IITs, NITs, BIT, leading industry organizations, and universities from abroad have given the expert session.
की बेड़ी तोड़ खड़ा आज भारत आत्मसम्मान। गणतंत्र का मतलब जान लिया, गणतंत्र का मतलब जान लिया। अब मौन नहीं, अब सहन नहीं। जब अन्याय खड़ा हो सामने तो झुकना राष्ट्र धर्म नहीं। जो सत्ता को जनता से ऊपर रखने का साहस करता है, जो सत्ता को जनता से ऊपर रखने का साहस करता है, कलम चेतावनी बन जाती है और उसका अहंकार हरता है। युवा यही समय है, जागो तुम, तलवार नहीं चरित्र उठाओ। संविधान है सबसे बड़ा शस्त्र, इस शस्त्र को जन जन तक पहुंचाओ। ना नमन केवल इतिहासों को, ना नमन केवल इतिहासों।
On this day in 1950, Indian transitioned from British dominant to fully sovereign republic. Our constitution, the world's lengthiest written constitution, gives each of us a fundamental right and ensures that every citizen, regardless of background, is treated with dignity and fairness. The main highlight of this day is Grand Parade at Rajpath, New Delhi, where the defense power, culture, tradition and achievements are displayed to the world.